Hey Becca, whose house are we at?
Uncle Peter's house and Auntie Deepa's house.
Yeah, where are they? You gonna show me? Go over and show me where Auntie Deepa is. There's Auntie Deepa. Is there anyone else there with Auntie Deepa? Yeah, there's Uncle VJ. But I meant there with Auntie Deepa. Right there with Auntie Deepa. Is there anybody else with her?
Daddy.
Yeah. What about sitting right with Auntie Deepa? In her tummy. What's in Auntie Deepa's tummy?
Two babies.
Yeah.
Two babies.
You gonna give the babies a kiss?
No.
No?
Kids. Kitchen.
Hmm?
Kitchen.
In the
means
kitchen? The babies are in the kitchen?
Baby's in the kitchen. Yeah, we're cooking now.